Alright everybody, I'm gonna do what you've all been waiting for. I've got something in this box, and you're gonna see what it is. But first, we're gonna start taking off the steering. So on a 06 325i, the holes are for the steering wheel. Right above there is like a little slit. Let's see what I put my screwdriver in. You go and hit the spring to push out the airbag. And there's the same slit on the other side. So I'm gonna take the airbag out. I mean, I don't think there's one in there, but to take this piece out. So you can get the bolt out to take the steering wheel off. Deuces. Okay, so I got the airbag out. Like I said, I was probably fucking with it for about 2 minutes before I figured this out. That's what it looks like. And you basically try to hit this spring right here, this little whatever that is, and you try to like move it. Oh, fine. This spring right here, and then you try to like move it to get the airbag out. Same on the other side. And you put it on this side and do the same thing. So this one, this nut, this bolt is a 16 millimeter. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna unplug these. I mean, they're pretty much already unplugged because the airbag was like blown the fuck out. But we're gonna unplug this shit. Newest addition to the car, that fire deep dish BMW steering wheel. Got from Bulgaria. Props to eBay for hooking me up with some dope products.